Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. The problem statement is very big, but the problem itself is very small. Okay. There are 5 machines A, B, C, D and E. Okay. And these 5 machines are situated 10 meters apart from each other, or if you say let's say if this is origin, okay, so from origin A is 10 meters, B is 20, and likewise it is given C is 30 meters from origin, D is 40 and E is 50 meters from the origin. Okay, now here we have one bot. Okay, we have one bot at the origin, and the bot serves the machines. Okay, so whatever machines request the bot for anything, the bot just serves them. Now if the bot is busy serving a machine, serving means the bot will just move to the machine, deliver whatever it is giving, and then it will come back to origin. Now if the bot is busy serving a machine, it cannot receive messages from other machines. Okay, so it can receive message only when the bot reaches back to the origin. Okay, so we need to just keep this in mind. Now there are 2 questions based on this information. Let's see the first question. Suppose on a certain day, machines A and D have sent the first 2 messages to the origin at the beginning of the first second. So at the beginning of the first second, okay, machines A and D have sent first 2 messages. So it is also given that if bot is receiving multiple messages, then it will serve all those machines in the same trip. Okay, so in the first trip, because bot has received request from A and D, it will go to A, it will serve A, then it will go to D, it will serve D, and then it will come back to origin. Okay, so bot has traveled, so because A and D are served in same trip, bot has traveled 40 and 40, total 80 meters, okay, in this trip. And it is given that assume the speed of the movement of the bot is 10 meters per second. So 80 meters and 8 seconds, okay, the bot took. Now after serving A and D, bot has come back to the origin. Okay, so let's go to the question again. C has sent a message at the beginning of 5th second. Okay, so C has sent a message at the beginning of 5th second. It means the bot was busy serving D. So bot has not received message from C until it has reached the origin. Okay, so once it has reached the origin, after 8th second, bot has got the message of C. Okay, and B at the beginning of 6th second. Okay, so message of B is also not delivered to the bot until it has reached the origin. So at 5th and 6th second, the bot will receive the message once it has reached the origin. Okay, so after first trip, when the bot is starting second trip, because it has 2 messages, it will serve both B and C both, right? So it will go here, it will serve B, it will go here, serve C, and then it will come back to the origin. Okay, so here C was 30 meters away, so that means 60 meters and 6 seconds. Okay, so now at E and E at the beginning of 10th second. Okay, so how much distance in meters the bot traveled since the beginning of the day when it notices the message of E? So it has been total 14 seconds now. Now the bot is again back to origin. Now it has received the message of E at 10th seconds. Okay, so at 10th second when the bot has received the message, it has traveled 80 meters for first trip and 60 meters for second trip. Okay, so total 140 meters. So answer for first question is 140 meters. Okay, now let's see the second part. Okay. Suppose there is a station, second station with raw material for the robot at the other extreme of the line, which is 60 meters from the origin. Okay, so here we have one origin, and there is another station after E. Let's call this X, which is at 60 meters from the origin. It is also 10 meters away from E. Okay. So now the bot has two stations. One is the origin and other is this X. Okay. And when bot is serving the machines, after serving, the bot can reach to the nearest station. Okay. Either the first station or the second station. Okay. Okay. So after finishing the services in a trip, the bot returns the nearest station. If both stations are equidistant, it chooses the origin as the station to return. Assume that both stations receive the message sent by machines and that all other data remains the same. What would be the answer to the above question? Okay. So in second question, it is given that the data in first question remains same. Okay. Then what would be the answer? So let's see that. So now, in the second approach, the first message is received when the bot was at origin, okay, and the message was for A and D. So bot will serve A, okay, then it will serve D, okay, and now see, the bot has traveled total 40 meters, right, serving for D. So this is total 40 meters, and now so when the bot has served D, it has to go to station. Okay. Then the first station is 40 meters away, and the last station or the second station is just 20 meters away from here, right? From D. So the bot will reach to the second station. Okay. It will reach here. So this is 20 total. So this is in total 60 meters. Okay. So A and D are served. Now, in the 5th and 6th second, bot has received message from B and C. Okay. So in traveling 60 meters, bot will take 6 seconds. So again, bot will receive messages of B and C only when it has reached the second station. Okay. So once it has reached the second station, bot will start from here. It will serve B and C. So it will come here. It will serve C because both machines it will serve in same trip. So it will serve C, then it will serve B. Now the bot has traveled 1, 2, 3, 4. So 40 meters this side. So now again this second station is 40 meters and the first station is 20 meters. So the bot will return to the first station. Okay, traveling 20 meters more. So this is again 60 meters. And 6 seconds. So 12 seconds has gone. Now bot is here and it will receive the message from E which was sent at 10th second, but it will receive at the 12th second. But by the time bot is receiving message from E, the bot has already traveled 60 plus 60, 120 meters. So in first trip it is traveling 60 meters and in second trip it is traveling 60 meters more. Okay, so total 120 meters. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.